Hey cuties! Oh my god! I can't believe this day has finally come. Hi everybody! So today I am going to be doing an unboxing, a thank you, a what the heck took so long, but basically just revealing this. There's a lot of information on here. There's like stickers galore. I'm gonna take this one off. I am so excited to open this for you guys. I'm holding it really still so that I can do my editing skills and blur out the address, but you can see right here that it's from YouTube with my broken nail and all, perfect PiinkSparkles style. I am finally doing a 1 million subscribers gold plaque unboxing. You guys are probably like, what? Like, I thought you had one. I do have 2 silver ones, which I'm so grateful for. If you guys don't know, you get a silver plaque for reaching 100,000 subscribers, a gold plaque for 1 million, and then I think there's like a diamond one or something like that. That's 50 million.
That'll never be me.
So I want to just like clear up something before I open this, that YouTube doesn't just send you out a play button when you hit these milestones. You actually have to like go in and contact YouTube and do all this, like, so that's what I did for the other ones. So now why didn't I do that for the 1 million one? So when back in the day when those ones were there, it would pop up on your dashboard like you hit a milestone, like click to claim. It would like pop, it would like literally say like click to claim, and then you would have like a special code to like verify that it was you. So it was so easy to do back then. They don't do that anymore. They don't do that. So like you have to basically contact someone from YouTube, and nowadays like nobody has like a phone. You have to be like, hey YouTube, it's me, PiinkSparkles. So you got to go through like a huge process, and I just honestly was putting it off for so long because it stressed me out. But I am currently right now living my best life. I am sober. I'm not drinking. So I feel like I have got so much done and off my list that I've had on my list for years. Not just like online, but like in my real life, you guys. Like my life is like coming together, and I just, for like a few years, I don't even know where the hell I was, to be honest. Not drinking has changed me so much in a good way. I'm not blaming drinking for like not opening a play button, but I just kind of ignored a lot of like responsibilities or like big things that would like stress me out. Like going through all this like online, like it stresses me out because I want to make sure I'm doing it right, and it's like there's a lot that goes into it. But I finally did it. So I was basically in contact with a real person on YouTube, and they helped me get this. I can't wait to see how it looks. Now they did say before anyone is like, it's fake, it's not fake. It came straight from YouTube itself. Literally says Society Awards YouTube. I feel like when I unboxed my silver plaques, I had like, why do I keep putting this back? You guys probably want to see it, but people were like, it's fake, they don't look like that. I looked at other people's and they were like comparing them. I got it, like I did it, like I did it through exactly what I was supposed to. It just like kind of like rubbed me the wrong way when people were like, it's fake. It's like, I worked hard to get these subscribers and you guys have been here, so this is not fake, okay? We're gonna unbox it together.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so excited.
Okay, this is what we're looking at. It's just like right here. Oh my god. What fell? Okay, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick! If your reward was damaged, shipping, or if you have any other questions, please contact us at, and then it shows the ad, but that's so sweet. I already got my hair on it. Okay, ready, you guys? You did it! 1 mission, 1 channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers. Why do I feel like I'm gonna cry? Congratulations. You may have started with just a few viewers, but with your voice, passion, and creativity, you have now touched the lives of people around the world. Why is this so sentimental? And the community you've built is enriched by the stories you've shared as you bring people together. To honor this milestone, we're proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. We hope this special recognition will remind you how much you mean to so many. Oh my goodness, I feel like it's like a funeral. Every day you are redefining how content is created. Thank you. And watched one voice and one video at a time. I have goosebumps. It's a privilege to be part of your journey. We cannot wait to see what you do next. Yours sincerely, Neil Mahone, YouTube CEO. I didn't know it was gonna be all that. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, you guys! Oh my god. Ooh, it has a felt back. I do not like that. Let's... It's really like a rose gold, I feel, more than like a gold. I love that. Okay, so it is very clean cut, presented to PiinkSparkles. I spelled it right for passing 1 million subscribers, and then there's the YouTube there. The ring light is like not having it right now. There it is. Oh my god, you guys! I've been waiting to get this so that I could hang up my other ones. It feels very placky. And then on the back there's like little things to hang it. I'm definitely gonna hang this. I don't know where. Okay, now before, when I was getting in contact with them and then I went through the, you know, all the steps, basically they said it's a new sleeker design, and then they like whatever. So if anyone's like comparing, they have changed the shape. And I hate that I have to say that because this is a milestone. I did it, and I know there's people that will try to still like make it negative or make it not real or not recognize you. Like, if you don't like me, that's fine, but this is something that I accomplished and it is real and I did it. But let me recap my other two. They came like this, like in these boxes here with like faces on them, like YouTubers and stuff like that. So the CEO was Susan then. This was a different message. This is how it was presented. Here is this one, very different from this one. As you can see, the silver play button, because I thought this silver play button was like literally like this, but it came, this is how it came. This is how mine came. So I have one here. So yeah, they do look different. That's okay, whatever. I kind of wanted it to look like a whole like silver thing. Some people do have those, but you know, people change designs. And then the other one I have, now I've changed this username
quite a few times.
It's Socks vs Barbie. Was Chomps Vlogs. Then me and Austin, I don't know if we changed it to something of us, and then now it's Pink's Vlogs. So this is like an old school relic. I will keep this because people still like comment Socks vs Barbie all the time, so I love that, and that is a milestone. These are all milestones and I'm so happy. Literally, I wouldn't be surrounded by 3 plaques without you guys. And let's get to the gold one, or the diamond one. Just kidding. Imagine. Thank you guys so much for everyone who just like clicked a like, clicked subscribe, clicked share, commented anything. Like, just for every one of you who pushed the subscribe button on this channel and my other channels, you have changed my life. You have given me so much purpose. You've given me people to talk to. You have literally kicked me when I've been like not myself and be like, girl, you're not yourself. You've given me hard truths, constructive criticism. I feel like you truly care about me. You do, and I care about you guys as well, and I thank you. This is like literally, this is dedicated to all of you. This would not be possible without all of you, and I feel like that I was supposed to make this a short video, and now I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for this. I love you beyond belief, beyond words. This is just such a cool way to recognize what you've been through. And to like mark the event, I put on Saint Germain. My mom actually, when I hit 1 million, she threw me a 1 million subscriber party. So like I'm gonna pop up some pictures around here. It was a while ago. It was a few years ago. I'm so glad that I finally got on it, because what if one day YouTube stops doing these awards, right? Like, things don't last forever. I don't know why. I am very put it to the side. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. And I cannot be like that anymore. Life is too short. Life can, you know, happen at any time. In a blink of an eye, things can change. So I need to just grasp the moment and live in the moment and get things done and stop being such a stubborn Taurus and do it. So this is dedicated to you guys, and thank you guys so much for everything. Maybe my vlog channel will hit it when it does. I don't think it will, but anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you again for being here years ago, for being here since the beginning. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for it all. I love you guys so much. What do you guys think of it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Bye guys. Mwah.